during gametogenesis is normally diploid? Option A, secondary polar body. B, primary polar body. C, spermatid. D, spermatogonia. Question number 70. A population will not exist in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium if option A, the population is large. B, individuals mate selectively. C, there are no mutations. D, there is no migration. Question number 71. Match the following genes of the lycopyron with their respective products. A, I gene. B, Z gene. C, A gene. D, Y gene. You have to match with first beta galactosidase, 2 permease, 3 repressor, 4 transacetylase. Now options: A, B, C, D. Option A, 3, 4, 1, 2. Option B, 1, 3, 2, 4. Option C, 3, 1, 2, 4. Option D, 3, 1, 4, 2. Question 72. Select the hormone releasing IUD. Option A, lipase loop, multilode 375. Option B, Waltz, LNG20. Option C, multilode 375, progestasert. Option D, progestasert, LNG20. Question number 73. Polyblend, a fine powder of recycled modified plastic, has proved to be good material for option A, making tube and pipes. Option B, making plastic sacks. Option C, use as a fertilizer. Option D, construction of roads. Question number 74. Which of the following statements is not correct? A, lysosomes are formed by process of packaging in the endoplasmic reticulum. B, lysosomes have numerous hydrolytic enzymes. Option C, hydrolytic enzymes of lysosomes are active under acidic pH. Option D, lysosomes are membrane bound structure. Question number 75. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Option A, lysine. B, valine. C, tyrosine. D, glutamic acid. Question number 76. Select the option including all sexually transmitted diseases. A, AIDS, malaria, filaria. B, cancer, AIDS, syphilis. C, gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes. D, gonorrhea, malaria, genital herpes. Question number 77. Floridian starch has a structure similar to option A mannitol and algin, B laminarine and cellulose, C starch and cellulose, D amylopectin and glycogen. Question number 78. The products of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plants are option A ammonia oxygen, B ammonia hydrogen, C ammonia alone, D nitrate alone. Question number 79. The organism which can tolerate and thrive in a wide range of temperature are known as option A euthermal, B isothermal, C homothermal, D stenothermal. Question number 80. Increase in the length of petiole results from the division of option A apical meristem, option B lateral meristem, option C intercalary meristem, option D phylogeny. Question number 81. Chief pigment of biosynthesis. Option A chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenoids. Option B chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, option C chlorophyll A, option D chlorophyll B. Question number 82. Cyclic phosphorylation differs from Z scheme due to option A ATP synthesis in cyclic phosphorylation only, option B presence of highest reduction potential electron transport system in Z scheme only, option C absence of downhill electron transport from electron acceptor in cyclic phosphorylation, option D presence of downhill electron transport to NADP plus in Z scheme only. Question number 83. Which step does not involve NADH plus H plus synthesis? Option A pyruvic acid to lactic acid in lactic acid fermentation, option B acetaldehyde to ethanol in alcoholic fermentation, option C succinyl-coenzyme A to succinic acid in Krebs cycle, option D all. Question number 84. Which one is not a part of electron transport system? Option A ATP synthase, option B cytochrome C oxidase, option C 2 times transfer of proton through ubiquinone, option D none. Question number 85. To avoid Casparian strip, chosen path included A. Symplast plus apoplast, B. Symplast plus unsuberized endodermal wall path, C. Apoplast plus unsuberized endodermal wall path, D. Only apoplast. Question number 86. Select correct expression. Psi S, option A, psi S is equal to psi W plus psi P. Option B, psi P is equal to psi S plus psi W. Option C, psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. Option D, psi W is equal to psi S plus osmotic pressure. Question number 87. Which macronutrient is accumulated in older leaves? Option A, calcium. B, magnesium. C, potassium. D, none. Question number 88. Difference between rhizobium and frankia. Option A, only rhizobium is nitrogen fixer. Option B, only frankia is a free living. Only C, only rhizobium is symbiotic nitrogen fixer. D, rhizobium is symbiont to leguminous root, while frankia is symbiont to non-leguminous alnus root. Question number 89. Identify capital A, capital B, capital C in sigmoid growth curve. Option A, a stationary phase, lag phase, exponential phase. Option B, stationary phase, lag phase, log phase. C, stationary phase, log phase, lag phase. D, log phase, stationary phase, lag phase. Question number 90. Cytokinin causes. Option A, promote apical dominance. Option B, overcome apical dominance. Option C, promote fruit ripening. D, inhibits seed germination. With these 90 questions, objective questions from NCERT based questions, now you must be provided with the right answers for all these 90 questions. So these are here as I read it out. First C, second B, third D, fourth B, fifth C, sixth D, seventh A, 8D, 9C, 10B, 11C, 12C, 13A, 14D, 15C, 16D, 17A, 18A, 19A, 20D, 21C, 22B, 23B, 24B, 25C, 26A, 27A, 28A, 29D, 30C, 31A, 32D, 33D, 34A, 35D, 36C, 37C, 38B, 39D, 40A, 41A, 42D, 43B, 44B, 45B, 46C, 47B, 48D, 49B, 50B, 51D, 52C, 53A, 54A, 55A, 56D, 57B, 58B, 59A, 60D, 61B, 62A, 63C, 64B, 65D, 66C, 67D, 68C, 69D, 70B, 71D, 72B, 73D, 74A, 75A, 76C, 77D, 78B, 79A, 80A, 81C, 82D, 83D, 84D, 85B, 86C, 87A, 88D, 89C, 90B. Thank you.